If you want to save time editing and instantly break one long video into smaller clips, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to auto-split in CapCut. This is one of the fastest ways to separate your footage into individual scenes so you can clean up your edit, remove bad takes, and organize your timeline without manually cutting every single section. Whether you are editing a vlog, a talking head video, or a screen recording, this feature can make your workflow much easier. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open CapCut Desktop and start by creating a new project. On the home screen, click Create Project to open a fresh editing workspace. Once your project opens, you need to bring in the video you want to work with. Click the Import button and choose your footage from your computer. After that, your video will appear inside the media library, ready to be edited. Now that your video is imported, the next step is to add it to the timeline. This part is important because the auto-split feature works on clips that are already placed on the main track. So take your raw video clip and drag it down into the main editing timeline. Once it is on the track, make sure it is selected so CapCut can apply the scene detection properly. Here comes the main step. To trigger auto-split, right-click directly on the video clip inside the timeline. A menu will appear with several editing options. From that menu, look for Split Scene and click it. This is the feature CapCut uses to automatically detect changes between shots and divide your video into separate clips. After you click Split Scene, CapCut will begin processing your video with AI. A progress window will appear while the software analyzes the transitions in your footage. Depending on the length of your video, this may take only a few seconds or it may take a couple of minutes. Longer videos naturally take a little more time, so just let CapCut finish working in the background. Once the processing is complete, your single long clip will be automatically divided into multiple smaller clips. Each one will represent an individual shot or scene in your video. This is extremely useful because now you can quickly find sections that need cleanup, remove mistakes, or separate different parts of your content without doing everything by hand. From here, you can start editing much faster. You can delete bad takes, reorder sections, or add transitions between clips to make your video flow better. If you are creating content regularly, this feature can seriously speed up your workflow and help you stay more organized inside CapCut. A quick tip before you go. Auto-split works best when your footage has clear scene changes, different camera angles, or noticeable cuts between shots. If your video is just one continuous recording with very little change, the split results may be less dramatic. So for best results, use it on footage where scene detection can clearly identify the transitions. And that is how to auto-split in CapCut Desktop. It is a simple feature, but it can save you a huge amount of time during editing. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and check out my other editing tutorials for more quick workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.